Hello, lifelong wellness students. I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving and you got to spend some time with some loved ones over the holidays. We are now down to the last 2 weeks of the semester, so you have 2 weeks left and just a few items left to complete. So please note that I finished grading your second writing assignment, so your personal dietary analysis, so you should be able to see your score on that assignment. I see a lot of you did write in your papers that you did find this to be very valuable. You did learn a lot about your dietary patterns, and I see that you have a lot of plans, things that you're going to change as a result of your assignment and for the better. So I'm so excited to hear that you're applying that to your life. As far as these last 2 weeks of class, you'll see for this particular week, you only have one chapter in your book. So that last chapter, which is on addictions. And then you also have your stress management assignment due this week. And then if you want, I do have an extra credit opportunity as well. So if you go to your week 6 module, you will see the links for the stress management assignment and the extra credit assignment, along with chapter 12 lecture notes. So if you look at, first of all, just the stress management assignment, you'll see I have a step process, a 4-step process that you're going to be going through. So you want to do this in order, okay? So step number 1, you're going to watch a couple different videos. This first one is my absolute favorite video, in the 90-10 video. It's rather short, but it's very informational. And then step 2, you're going to read, obviously, the 2 chapters, chapter 10 and 11 in your book, which deals with stress management. And then go through and view these links on different stress busters and relaxation techniques that we can use. And then lastly, step 3, you're going to rate yourself on a stress rating scale to see what your stress level or your stress risk is. So once you've done those 3, then you can just answer my 8 questions here. So you're going to definitely have to do steps 1 through 3 before you can even do step 4. So you're going to type your answers to those questions and you're going to put them in the assignment box, okay, under the assignments. So you'll see stress management assignment. Okay, so I can see quite a few people have already started doing that. The extra credit assignment, you'll submit it here if you choose to do so, but as far as the extra credit assignment goes, I would like you to get your cholesterol checked. So I give you explanations here on that. It's a great thing to do. You should at least get your cholesterol checked once a year just to find out if you're at risk for possible chronic disease. So if you've even had your lab done within 6 months of this due date, I will accept those labs as well. Okay, but definitely if you haven't and you'd like to do so, this is a great opportunity to find out a little bit more about your personal health. So you're going to get your cholesterol levels and fasting plasma glucose level checked. This is called a lipid panel. Okay, so you would need to go to a lab and you'd need to fast for 12 hours. So that means nothing to eat or drink for 12 hours prior to. And then to get credit for this, you need to not only submit the lab results, so the actual data that you received from the lab, and then you're going to also answer these 4 questions as well. So just understanding, what should my numbers be? If my total cholesterol is 260, that's definitely not good, right? So total cholesterol should be below 200. So just understanding what all those different numbers mean is very valuable. So if you choose to do that assignment, you're going to put that in the assignment folder as well, okay? So those are the 2 things that are due this week. Other than that, have a great week.